Starting around 03 October 2023, Dogelon Mars especially is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in very most recent 60 minutes, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Elon especially has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692 in an unobtrusive manner. This in every way that really matters makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, by and large positioning at 262 in the cryptographic money market, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars sort of be certainly worth in 2023 in an especially huge manner? Is Dogelon Mars a genuinely wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Elon cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed high? These especially are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future incredibly. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogelon Mars figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost by and large is supposed to for the most part cross a very normal value level of $0.00000018, the normal sort of leap exhibiting how might Elon cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, Elon can arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0.00000020, which sort of is genuinely critical. Elon value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is estimated to sort of be at around a by and large least worth of $0.00000015, which in every way that really matters shows that this most certainly makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, kind of positioning at 262 in the digital money market, which basically is genuinely huge. The Dogelon Mars value worth can generally arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.00000017, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Elon value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars explicitly is determined to basically be at around an in every practical sense least worth of $0.00000016, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Dogelon Mars value worth can sort of arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.00000017 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars, which certainly shows that for the most part is Dogelon Mars a generally excellent venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very huge. Elon value conjecture October 2023. The Dogelon Mars figure for October 2023 expects that the Elon may basically arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.00000018, with an in every practical sense least cost of around $0.00000017, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the very normal value Elon can especially stretch around $0.00000017 for October, so Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost in a real sense is supposed to sort of cross a normal value level of $0.00000018. The normal especially least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to in a real sense be $0.00000018, exhibiting how might Elon value sort of outperform its record-breaking extremely high in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars especially is supposed to explicitly be at around a sort of least of $0.00000017 in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars cost can arrive at an especially limit of $0.00000019 with the in every way that really matters normal cost of $0.00000018 in United States dollars in a kind of enormous way. Elon value estimate December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Dogelon Mars basically is supposed to really arrive at a very least value worth of $0.00000018, or so they certainly thought. The Elon cost could arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.00000020, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.00000018, which truly shows that starting around 03 October 2023 Dogelon Mars most certainly is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, or so they certainly thought. Dogelon Mars kind of past value examination in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto certainly has been really diminished by 0.65% in its ongoing worth, which basically shows that Elon value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is estimated to basically be at around an essentially least worth of $0.00000015. Which for the most part shows that this most certainly makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, especially positioning at 262 in the digital money market, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Assuming we basically look at the by and large current market cap of the Elon with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. Dogelon Mars sort of is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Elon in a real sense is down to nearly 1.37% in the by and large most recent 7 days, showing how Elon value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars is gauged to in every practical sense be at around an extremely least worth of $0.00000015, which certainly shows that this explicitly makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, especially positioning at 262 in the digital currency market. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for especially past essentially couple of days. The coin could truly have most areas of strength, for certainly yet, we don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in by and large momentary in a sort of significant manner. Dogelon Mars value figure 2023 facts what will generally be Dogelon Mars in every practical sense, worth in 2023, which really is genuinely critical. The Elon cost in a real sense is estimated to really arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0.00000020, with sort of least cost of $0.00000018 toward the finish of 2023, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Does Dogelon Mars essentially have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Dogelon Mars in a real sense has an exceptional especially potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, or so they explicitly thought. It really is figure that Elon will increment in esteem and in a